In this video, we're going over how you can join the Dandy's World Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Discord content like this. But if you want to go ahead and join the Dandy's World Discord server, first, go ahead and open up Discord on either your PC or your mobile device. And on this left-hand side over here where you have all your server icons, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the option with this little plus icon. Select that and then hit join a server. It's going to pull up with a page that looks like this. Just simply click within this text box here and type in the following. It's going to be Blus Crunch, just like so, with a capital B and a capital C, but all one word. You can take a screenshot if you need to. After typing it in though, just hit join server or hit enter, and it'll automatically load you into the Blush Crunch Studio. This is going to be the official Dandy's World Discord server, and now you're a member of it. You do have to verify yourself with Bloxlink, so keep that in mind. But after doing so, you're going to be able to see all of the other channels and chat with other members. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more Discord content like this. Have a great day. Peace.